Hey friends, this is Anurag. Now here I am having myself two different mobiles. This is the new Micromax Ninja 3 latest Android mobile phone, and this is my old Nokia Symbian series 5235 mobile. Now I am gonna do some screen size comparison between two and compare the color display of the two devices. So let's compare it. Now let's talk about this mobile. This is the new Micromax Ninja 3 having a screen size of 3.5 inches and it has got a resolution of 320 by 480 pixels and it has got a 256K color display. Now this is my old mobile phone. Its screen size is 3.2 inches and having a resolution of 640 by 480 pixels and it has got 16 million color display. So I want to show you how you can how screen size and resolution will affect the picture quality of your phone. Let's take some picture. Here is the gallery of new Micromax. Now this is the camera picture. I have taken this pic from this mobile. As you can see, I am zooming in, and you can see it's not visible. It's clearly invisible. Now I have the same pic in this mobile phone having a very high resolution display. As you can see, I zoom it out and you can clearly see the comparison between two. Here is my old mobile phone with 16 million color display and here is the new resolution. As we zoom in more, it becomes more difficult to be analyzed here. Here see, this is my old mobile phone with higher resolution and this is my new mobile phone having a lower resolution. It has got 320 by 480 pixels and this phone has got 640 by 480 pixels with a 16 million color display. As you can see, there is a lot of difference in the color size and all that. You can see a lot of difference between two. Now let's take some another image. Now this is the image and also take this image. This is the image from 16 million color display. As you can see, it's clearly visible and it's very clear in my new 3.2 inch mobile phone. Actually it's my old mobile phone and this is the new Micromax Ninja 3. As you can see, as you more zoom in out, it becomes very distorted to see, but when you zoom into this image, it has got more clarity on zooming in, and this is distorted image and it is very clear image, and the color production is also very beautiful in this mobile phone than this. It has got only 256K color display. And because of lower resolution, there is a problem when you zoom into it. It becomes distorted. And friends, finally I can say always choose your smartphone with high resolution and a good color display, because it will definitely affect your camera shots as well as the display wallpaper images. Thank you for watching.